Hi, I'm Stephanie Zhang, the co-founder of Mount Lai, and this is my best friend, Karen.
Hi.
Today, we're going to be testing out the Lom Radiance Transforming Mask for instantly hydrated and glowing skin. So the mask itself is a semi-solid balm, but it's super smooth, if you want to take a look.
It smells kind of like roses.
Right? It smells amazing. So when I apply this on you, I'm going to use a pretty generous amount.
It feels so soft.
I know, it's so fun to apply.
Is it warming a little bit?
Yeah, the mask is actually filled with some amazing actives. There's line pearl caviar, which is a naturally derived AHA. It gently exfoliates, softens, and smooths the skin. There's hemp seed oil for nourishment, and there's even microalgae extract, which energizes and provides oxygenation to the skin.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. So you can leave this on for 30 minutes or even overnight if you need an extra boost of radiance. And once you're done, you can use a damp Eve Lom muslin cloth to remove the mask.
Great.
Karen, I'm really excited to see what your skin looks like when you remove the mask.
Me too.
I can already tell that it looks super glowy and dewy. How does it feel?
Feels really good.
See?
Really soft.
I told you.
You did.